Because it's been eating. Oh my goodness. Wow, this I need to put something in there. You better put powder and they don't go in there eating. You better put the powder and they don't eat. Oh my god. Look at my flower. The orange is like oh wow. That is crazy. Really crazy is eating. Oh no, okay, went to transfer. Hey, when I eat my sunflower? Oh, I don't see nothing, is it? I don't see that, no. The one you don't have no more. Now they go in there, see? Because they have no big. Oh my goodness. What the heck is this thing? Oh my god. Why are you eating my sunflower? Oh my goodness. Tony, this is busy. Honey, go get it.
No.
And we can have a pet. Honey.
Oh, I want a pet.
Yeah. Both of them. My goodness. I can't believe it. But like, what is this name? This the bird.
Spirit.
Oh, a spirit.
Yeah. People let him go.
Oh my goodness. Spirit. Oh wow. Wow, let's go in there. Oh my goodness, really. Eating my flower. I can be that's why I come home and it's my flower, some flowers empty. The black. Now in there. Oh my god. Crazy my marigold. Sis, the one is eating my marigold. What the heck? This all this on a bird. Now it's clear now, the sky.
I'm gonna scare him away.
Huh?
I'm gonna scare him.
No. Look at that. Hey, get out of my bird. I need to fix my flower.
Yeah.
Why you do that for?